Hello guys, I'm back with another video for Linux tool changer. Okay, as you can see, I'm printing some parts here, and what we are developing now, we are taking the next stage of our tool head. So we are changing the tool head and the carriage to just consist of one part cooling fan. So what's going to happen is we are going to be using one 5015 fan, which will be on the back of the carriage. Let me show you an example here. So this is the 5015 fan, and this is the carriage. So it will be this way, and there will be a duct from the carriage. So the duct is coming this way from the carriage. So there will be only one part fan for all the tool head, and because of that, our tool head now is getting more slimmer, more smaller, because we don't have the two 4010 fans on the left and right. Previously we are using dragon burner, so now it's much more slimmer. So because of only one part cooling fan, the hot end fan will be here, and the hot end all will be as usual down here, LEDs down here. And for the mount, let me find, okay, this is the extruder mount on top, and the hot end mount below here. So this way it will be mounted this way, and this is the back plate. The hot end will be down here, the fan, and the back plate is this way. So this will be the tool head, extruder on top as usual, and it's much more slimmer. We have decided to go this route so that we only need to use one part fan. We makes the tool head much more lighter and the cooling much more better using a 5015 fan. One thing I noticed, the dragon burner cooling isn't enough when I'm printing fast, so we're going to try with 5015. And also because of this new tool head design, so this is the LED status LED will be, because of the new tool head design, I am able to fit 6 tool heads now on my VisiBoard 330. I've already bought a few of the parts, like the EBB 36. This is the Mellow CHP heating block, as you can see here, the Mellow. These are the, let me just take it out and show you guys. Yep, there. These are the CHP heating block with the socks. And what I do with my hot end is, like I said, I'm on a budget, so I try to get as cheap as possible, but of course without compromising some quality or anything. But this is the, I'm using Mellow heating block, the CHP heating block. This is Volcano. I'm using this V6 heatsink. This V6 heatsink, but without the collar down here, so that it is like a dragon burner mounting. And I also bought the, where's the, okay, the V6 heat break, so it will go in this way, and then the heat block will go in this way. And buying the Mellow heat block includes the ceramic heater and also the thermistor. And for the nozzle, I'm using the CHD, the bamboo CHD, and with the Volcano adapter. So that's it for one tool head. This is as cheap as I can get, but also with a good quality and reliable flow for the tool head. So with this and also the EBB36 and also the LDO motors, this is the LDO motors for the extruder as you can see here. Yep. So I'm going to build another tool head, so which will make my tool changer have 5 tool heads. And since I now can fit 6, so that will be I mean a later time. I've already spent a lot for this tool head, and I'm going to wait maybe until next month to make my 6th and final tool head. Okay, for the dock slide, like I said, we are going to be using dock slide, which will be a moving dock in the front. But I don't have the budget yet to buy all the extrusion, the rails. So I'm going to stick with the rear docking as at the moment. So the dock will still be a fixed docking at the back. But since, as you can see, the toolhead, the new toolhead has a status LED in front, so when it's docked, you can't see the status LED. But it's okay. The reason why I can't have the fixed dock in front here is because this visiboard bed doesn't have space in front, so that if I make the dock in front, the dock will hit the bed. So I don't have space down here in front, but at the back, at the rear here, I have space. So I will still keep the dock at the rear as usual for the time being, until I have the budget to build the dock slide, where the moving dock, the dock slide in front. Then I will shift everything to the front. So that's it. That's the update for now. I'm going to be printing all the parts for the tool heads, because I'm going to change all the tool heads. And for the new tool head also, we have, if you can see the back plate, I don't know whether you can see, if you can see the back plate down here, there will be 2 micro switch, one down here and one down here at the side. So this will be the micro switch for the carriage sense, so that once the tool is on the carriage, and this is the micro switch for the dock sense once the tool is on the dock. So it's much more reliable to use micro switch than magnets. Previously we are using just contact point from magnets, but now we are going to switch to micro switch for reliability purpose. So that's it for now. Once I have all the parts ready, printed, I'm going to swap over all my tool heads to the new tool head. I will be having 5 as of now. Like I said, it can fit 6, but I'm going to go with 5 first. And previously I said that the triple Z will be obstructed by the dock if I have one in the middle here, but I have raised the dock, as you can see here. I have raised the bed to be a bit higher with some these are the one that comes with the BMG extruder, the collar. So I've placed all that to make the bed a bit higher, so that when the bed is fully up, the rear lever doesn't hit the dock. So now it's good to go. I'm going to have 5 tool heads next, and once everything has been fixed, I will do all the calibration as usual, and then I will do a very big print, a multicolor big print. Alright, see you guys.